I'm here today at 1539 Trek Street in just east of downtown Huntsville. This is just a beautiful community situated in the mountainous area just down from Montesano Mountain. You can see in the back of this home, it has the mountain views. And this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, and it's new on the market, $560,000. We will walk up here and take a look on the inside. So when you come in, there is a stairwell in front. Nice open living area, lots of natural light. And to the left of the front door is a nice office. The kitchen of this home is absolutely spectacular. It has very high-end Wolf appliances, double oven, gas cooktop, and hood. A nice large island with a stainless sink. And a Sub-Zero refrigerator built in. And look at this bar area in the dining. Just gives you a lot of extra counter space for serving. A lot of extra cabinets. Just off the kitchen is a pantry there and a laundry room. It's really open, lots of light. So let's step out back and take a look at this really nice covered patio area. Wood ceiling. Really nice view behind you here. Nice private lot. The garage comes in the back. There's a fence. Also on the main level, there's a very nice size primary bedroom, 9-foot ceilings, crown mold, hardwood floors, and the primary bath, double sinks, tile, really nice tile shower. And the primary closet has built-in closet space. Lots of closet space in this house. Lots of closet space. We're going to see 2 other walk-in closets as well in 2 other bedrooms in this home. We're going to take a peek upstairs now, where there are 3 more bedrooms and a bonus room and 2 more baths. Look at this bonus room. It's really nice. Hardwood floors up here. Crown molding throughout. There's hardwood floors in all the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom upstairs, and it has a really nice closet space with the built-in closet shelving. It's a second bathroom, double sinks, and the shower is in that door. Here's a third bedroom. It also has crown molding, hardwood floors, and a walk-in closet with the built-in shelving. And the fourth bedroom has just a regular closet, crown mold, hardwood floor, but it has its own bathroom. This bathroom for the fourth bedroom has one sink and there's tub shower combo, tile flooring. So this gives you a really good look at 1539 Trek Street in Huntsville. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, near 3,000 square feet, the primary bedroom and an office on the main floor. Very nice open floor plan, high-end appliances. I'd love to talk with you more about this home. I'm Karen with Remax Alliance. My number is 256-226-5062.